friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. Today is actually the 4th of July, so I thought I would bring you guys along for our day. We're going to be meeting up with the family to celebrate the 250th birthday of America. How amazing. So I thought it'd be fun before we get into the vlog portion of today. I thought it'd be fun to share some of my quick last minute dessert ideas. I know by the time you guys see this, it is past the 4th of July, but maybe you could save these ideas for Labor Day or for the following years to come. But let's go ahead and jump into the video. I did get this cup from Aldi this year, but one thing that I've been trying to be more intentional about lately is the quality of water that my family drinks every day. That's why I've been using this Simpure Y9A Countertop reverse osmosis water filter. What I love most is that it removes a wide range of impurities through its 6-stage filtration system and then adds those healthy minerals back into the water. It gives me peace of mind knowing that we're drinking cleaner, better tasting water every single day. It also helped us cut back on buying water bottles, which means that we're saving money and using far less plastic. It's a small change that feels good for our family and a little kinder to the environment as well. Another reason that I love it is because how simple it is to use. There's no complicated installation. It sits right on the countertop, filters water quickly, and we can use it for everything from filling our reusable water bottles to making coffee and even cooking. If you've been looking for an easy way to improve your family's water while reducing plastic waste, I'll be sure to have the Simpure water filtration system linked below so you can check it out yourself. A big thank you to Simpure for sponsoring today's video. So very few ingredients are needed for either of these recipes for desserts that I'm going to be showing you. But the first one we're going to be doing is a variation of a ice cream sandwich. And it's very simple, very easy. All we are doing with the ice cream sandwiches is adding the Patriotic sprinkles to the sides of them, but the kids go wild for these. So first things first, I'm pulling out just a baking dish. This is the easiest way to store a bulk amount of ice cream sandwiches because, and they should fit just fine. Yeah, they'll fit. Next up, we have good old-fashioned chocolate chip cookies, but we're going to add it with that patriotic twist because it's the 4th of July. So I got pre-made cookie dough from the store. This makes, I think, 24 cookies is what it said, 24 cookies. So we're going to preheat that oven, and then we're going to top it off with some of those sprinkles that we have left over and our M&Ms that are, of course, red, white, and blue. It says to bake at 350, 12 cookies per sheet for 11 to 12 minutes. So we're going to cut these open, add our toppings, and pop them in. So let's get the oven going. I know these desserts were super simple, but isn't that what we're all striving for around the holidays? So let's go ahead. We got to pull these cookies out and then we're going to hit the road and you guys can come along for the rest of our 4th of July. Let's go.